easy on the wheels. DJ Daytrader, check the feels. Market open, volume rising. Beat drops when the sun's arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders. Matching bid and ask. Making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen. Cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow. When the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest. That's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we roll. Analyze, plan, execute the soul. DJ Booth meets trading floor. On easy gives you so much more. Mix it up, blend it right. Futures market through the night. Your way, it's what we do. Making profit, dropping truth.
Check. Yo, what's cracking, y'all? It's Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Checking in on this, what is it today? Monday? Let me look at my calendar. Monday. No, it's Tuesday, June 30th, 2026. Welcome out, y'all. Welcome out. It's the futures market Mixdown with yours truly. What's populating, people? That's right. We're going to go through these charts today and, well, tonight. Depends wherever or whenever the world you're tuning in from. We want to thank you for joining us tonight. Future Market Mixdown with your boy, the DJ Daytrader. All right. We're looking at some charts tonight. We're going to look at NQ, maybe a little ES, maybe a little gold. We'll see whatever we feel is looking good to trade tonight. We're trading some futures tonight. So, yeah, let me know if you guys got any questions in the chat. Let me know. If not, we will just be... Let me throw on some music. Light music in the background. There we go. So it's not so dreadfully quiet in here. All right, let's take a look at the charts. What's cracking so far today? Let's move here. Let's go to the 5-minute chart just so we can get a better idea of what's been happening since let me get rid of some of these. Hold up. Let me get rid of some of these lines here, because this is for me to see and you to find out what it is. All right, you know those lines there. All right, let's simplify it here. You see this yellowish and bluish. This is the beginning of the market today. This is the open of Globex at about, what was it, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard, depending where you're checking it from. And you can kind of see we're just kind of open flat here, right where we closed, about 30,501. Kind of moved up here a little bit, chopped down, broke below the close here, and then we dropped down into this level and actually into this MHP line, which it bounced right off of and kind of just came straight back. So now we're just kind of diddling in the middle between these two areas. So I gotta figure out how to reverse engineer this indicator here, but let me get my fibs out. All right, buzz up the fibs. This will explain a little bit more of what are we looking at today. So if we take from the top of that breaker block to the bottom of that one, you see right here is the middle, and the middle is right where it closed today. So you're talking about let's see, 90 points up to the breaker, 90 points down to the breaker, and it's all equidistant. So you can kind of see we opened here, tried to move up, hit resistance on our first resistance line here, and then just kind of broke down below the previous day close, tapped right into it, failed, and then we jammed all the way down here into our MHP level here. Missed that bounce because I was doing something else. Now we're kind of slowly trying to move back up into this right back to previous day close, right here at about the 30,500, 501-ish area. So we'll see what happens with that. We're just trying to push up here. Not a lot of movement or volatility in the market tonight. So Asia session's been pretty chill. I mean, you could get, if we break it down into, got an echo here, a little bit compression. All right, we break it down here into our 1 minute chart, a little bit more details of what's going on and what we could have done. I bounce off MHP. That was the move there, or break below previous day close and the breakdown. Now we're just kind of in Chop City. We're not even like respecting this as a resistance or support. We're kind of breaking below, breaking above. Let me get my pen. Breaking below, breaking above, breaking below, up, comes down, back down, down, fake down, breakdown, come back up, and just kind of Chop City, Chop Suey. So what can you do with that? Not much. You could probably get some quick scalps. I like to see retest of here. Previous day close, maybe a rejection back down, or a break above test and maybe move back up and try and sweep this liquidity on this side and maybe just chop in between these areas all night till New York session tomorrow. I don't know. We just gotta kind of wait and see and pick our points and pick our entrances. So this is with our smart money map and our fib. Let me get that fib. Let's see. Let's put it by our smart money map so you can kind of group them together. Then if we use our Varus bands here, purple line is the VWAP. Each line, each line is about a quarter of what we call risk interval. So full risk interval today is like 200 some odd points. So that would be this purple line all the way to this red line. So you're talking about 479, 480 to about 260 points to 746 or something. So what I do is I try and break these down. I try and break it down into like quarters. Yellow line is a half risk interval, then 3/4. So it's like quarter risk interval, half, 3/4, full risk interval all the way up here. In case you kind of want to take partials along the way, you just want to make sure you get in some money there. If you're trading an account that is intraday trailing, you might want to take off at these points rather than making the money coming up this way and then losing it. And if something happens, then you're underneath the water. So might as well just take it at this point, take your profit. If it holds this part, take it up to the next one, take your profit. Same thing. So rather than trying to hold through this and then you're down 600 on your intraday trailing, hopefully it comes back up here to break even and then you start making more. It's kind of a tangled web we weave when we choose to trade intraday, but those seem to be the best accounts to kind of build a buffer. Once you get over that intraday buffer, you can kind of start making money and stacking it and taking daily payouts. So it's all what you prefer. When it comes to props, the props firms, you can check out PropScore website, propscore.co, and check out all the different prop firms, all the deals they got, and kind of compare and shop around and see what firm fits you best. You know, you can put your risk reward, how many times it takes you to buy an account to pass it, and it will kind of take all that, put it in its jumbotron computer, whatever algorithm it is, and then it will tell you which prop would be the best for you to purchase and work on. So that's propscore.co. You can check it out. They'll drop the link in the chat. But since I don't have no mods, I shall just do it myself. There you go. No affiliate, no nothing for me. Just one of the best places to go to shop around, unbiased, not getting paid off by any firms to say they're the best. So check it out and decide for yourself. All right, that's that. Let's get into the chart. You can see this is what we call the Varus bands. Purple is VWAP. So we're just kind of hovering right in between. This was the move here. Would have been to our MHP line right here, and Varus band, and boom, what a bounce. That's like what is this, 366. Even if he took it here, that's like 446, about 80 points. If you took it to the tippity top, 477, that's about 111 points. Crazy. Almost to the WAP. And then now we're just kind of in this chop. I can't do nothing with it. So Don't diddle in the middle, they say. But if you want to diddle in the middle, let me show you something else we can do. We use risk intervals. Why I got my kick chat there? Let's see. I gotta get rid of my kick chat on this. I don't need my kick chat in here. For now, at least. Kick chat. Kick chat. Where's my chat? No, that's not the chat. Where's my kick chat? Kick chat. One of these gotta be a chat. Emote. No. Alert box follows. Chat. Nope. Chat. No. Where the heck is it? Click on it, maybe? Double click on it, maybe I can find the box. What is that one? Oh, here it is. Chat. Guess we could have left it there if we wanted to, but we'll just remove it for now. We don't need it. Alright, now what is it saying? So yeah, it would have been, if you want to trade and get a little bit more action in these slow markets, what we call a refib, but what it is, it's based on Rocket Scooter's DD bands. So DD bands is based off the previous day's close, which is here. Let me show you right here at 501. And what is do, we take the risk interval, which is like 267 something. So we mark the DD band way up here. So 501, 267 would be like right up here. 678, way up here. This purple line. Let me erase some of these lines to make it more clearer. So let's take that and let's just go full risk interval action. So some previous days close, one risk interval is all the way up here at 768. One full risk interval down is all the way down here at 3233, and we're just chopping around the previous day close, just messing around. So what do we do if you want to just try and figure out a trade? We can break this down into halves. These are all half risk intervals, so you can see we ran right into this half risk interval at a 67 and then bounced right off, and then we can trade. But if you want to break it down even more, this out, we can do quarter intervals, and then you can trade from quarter to quarter, right? So right here, half, we're going to trade down to here, trade back up from this quarter to this quarter here, and now we're trying to trade. We held this quarter, now see if we get back up to the previous day close. And then and that's like, from here to here is 434, 501, so say like 67 points or so. If you want to break that down even more, you can break it down into, what is this? This is quarters, eighths. You can break down this eighths, will be like 30 points. So if you want to break this down, see, you could have traded from here to here, like an eighth, come back down, eighth, we kind of chopped. Didn't come all the way back down, so here's the tricky part. Okay. Here's where they trap a lot of people, right? So you go up here, range, you come back here, you range, you come back down, and you don't come all the way back to the bottom here. You stop halfway, and then so you figure, oh, that's a higher low, right? You take it, you break above this next level here. Also, resistance becomes support, right? Wrong. Right back down to this level here, and even break down below it, wick, and then pop back up, test, and right back up, and we're at the same level here. So that's how they trap you. So if you just take the up and the down, just mitigate your risk somehow. Mitigate your risk is all I can say. Mitigate your risk. Have your stop. Be a pest. That's wait for the pullback. As always, set your entry, set your stop, and set your take profit. PEST, profit, entry, stop, take profit, or target, whatever you want to call it. All right. My butt's sore. Let me try and figure this out real quick. Coming back down to this next, and then you want to get real freaky with it. Oh man, why is it not? You don't even want to add. We're down to the eighths. If you want to even add 16ths to it, we can break 16ths down, and you can even trade between these levels, which are like 17 points today. They're gonna vary depending what your risk interval is from day to day. So it's all good. But yeah. Just much ado about chop today, so you can trade from line to line. That's all we're doing right here basically is up down, fake out, breakout, boom, fake down, breakdown, boom, halfway, back up, fake out, breakout again, and right back down again. So it's basically chops and fakes of breaks, just trying to catch some people sucker above here for a fake breakout, then come all the way down, take out this liquidity, come back up, equal high here, and then right back down to just staying in this whole area here. So what can you do? You trade from line to line if you like. You can enter the breaker here under 67 here. Risk the high here at about 72, 5 points, and then you could have got 17 maybe. Yeah, 17, maybe 20-ish here if you held it. Now we could take the test of here. 50, we just missed it. Risk right above here, like 52, 53, maybe a little wiggle room above the wick, 55, and look for a move down here, 17 points to about 50, what is that? No, 34, 35, 34. So we'll see. But then we're putting in this like lower high, wedging like this. So it's kind of like a range here. So you can play the range if that's your thing. I like to play the extremes, like if I saw this here, the extreme here into MHP, and then our what do you call it? RFib, R line, whatever you want to call it. I haven't got a name for it yet, so then we could have done that and took that bounce and took it to this line, any line you want, you could have took it to, you could have took it here, bounce it from here to here, took it off. You can see we kind of bounced the first time, came back down. You could have took it off here, reclaim here. You could have to the next one, take off here, pull back again, enter here. So many opportunities, you know what I mean? But it's all how you navigate through it, because you get, as much as easy it sounds, you could just take it up to here, take your profit, let it pull back, it holds here, take it up to here, take your profit, pulls back, holds here, take it to here. This one didn't pull back, it just pulled straight up, but then take your profit, pulls all the way back, breaks down here, holds here. You could have pushed it back up to here, maybe, you know, any way you can make money. But I mean, you could have done here, put your stop loss here and lost there. So it all depends what your strategy is and how you trade it. This could be a winning trade, it could be a losing trade. People losing money, making money. That's how the market moves. So hopefully you're the one who's making money. And hopefully I will be the one making money soon. And it's all good. Hopefully we can all make that. Make that money. That's right. But if it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. So What can you say? What can you say, y'all? We're just gonna chill and let's see if I can drop some of these explosions in the chat. Let me see if my other emojis work as well. Game over. Flip, 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 flip. There we go. And then we got our pops. As if we ever make anything. And then oh, we can share. I don't know if I'm going to trade this. I got my Lucid funded first day. Just activated my take profit 25k. That'll be the first day trading it. So hopefully I don't blow it. But we just got to wait and see what happens. I don't know what to do with this market. I always take the... trying to click that off and just use the... there we go. I don't know, we just kind of chop city here. I mean, we wicked down here, so I would bet it doesn't go above this 50-ish there. So I could take a short there real quick. I might stop above this line here, risk maybe like $100. Hopefully who knows, it might just be ranging and it's gonna go all the way back to the top and stop me out like a dummy. But I took the trade, so live with it. And this is my funded account, so I'm just taking a very, very small risk here. Yeah, I might lose this trade here. Yeah, I might just come right back up. I was hopefully this would cause resistance here, but unfortunately it might not. Either way, the risk is like less than $100, so I might just retrace back up to the top again. Yeah, it might do it. Yeah, it's gonna do it. I shouldn't have done that. Now, what are we at now? Back down like $40. Okay, that wasn't very smart of me. So now we just move back up now, supposedly. I don't know. Should we try a long here? Should have. Too late now. Should have been above 50. We're at 54 now. This is kind of like a dive bomb down, though. This is a dive bomb down, up, dive bomb down, up. Yeah, I don't know. I can't play the... like, I'd have to go long here. Let's wait for this candle to close. See, a lot of times we came up, kind of double topped here. Double topped here. There's no rhyme or reason to this. It's just a chop. I should just be riding this back up, but I'm so skeptical. See, like, is it just gonna come back here and bite my butt? It can't be that predictable just to go straight up, right? Could it? Could it? I don't know. That's why we should only trade these levels here, like the rocket scooter ones. And that's why kind of diddling in the middle here is good if you're trying to find a trade. You know, you got your risk and whatnot. But when it's just chopping like this, you can range trade it good. If not, I like to see some velocity and then catch some pullbacks. Velocity, catch some pullbacks, and then continuation. Right now, chop or range, whatever you want to call it, chop, range. This is still like a good 67, like 33 point range there, top to bottom. And look at that, I could have just took it right back up. 10-15 points. Are we finally gonna break back up? Let's go into like a 5-minute chart. Maybe we can see more of a pattern forming here. Still kind of in this bear flag. Other than that, I already have no trade. Let me pull this off and go to the Varus bands, yeah, still below VWAP. Just kind of ranging up. So then, you get initial balance, first hour of the Globex. You can see once we broke below here, we drop all the way down. Now we're just trying to pull back up into our IB here. So many things to look at, but just still chop. Whatever way you want to look at it, it's chop. So let's put our fib back on, and then where are we as far as our stack? Let's put our stack. I like to see where these are, that's why. Most times it'll travel back up. We haven't even hit this level yet, so still feel like we want to move a little bit further back up. Kind of failing here. We didn't reach back up that time. Oh boy. Let's sell it here real quick. Go quickly wickedy scalp here. That wasn't much. Too late. Too fast. It's already like 6-7 points. 2 candle pullback. If I chart 5 here, let's see if we can get close back to 50 for a short, and then I think we're taking this out and continuing a bear flag. This seems like the most bearish has been. Big candle, 2 candle pullback. Let's see if we can get back close to 50 here. It's not gonna pull back for me. Is it 44 on the bid? I'm watching the bid and ask now. 44, 45. You can tell I'm a true scalper. Like, nobody else on this channel is gonna be looking at crap like this. 46. We'll take a short at 45. Put our stop at like 53 above here. Take a shot at. Hopefully that's a 2 candle pullback. Here we go. A little breakdown here. Come on. At least break to the bottom of the... I don't want to take it off. Sometimes I trail it so quick and then... Come on. That's why, like, ooh, when you get like trailing drawdown, well, Lucid doesn't, but TPT, I'd be right on the tail of it every time like that. Even if I get taken out for like 15, 20 bucks, until I pass that trailing drawdown, I'm on that price action like flies on you know what. So, let's see. Still chop. I feel like this is the first time we had a move down, 2 candle pullback, and then the white, right? 2 candle pullback, and now I think this is the break. I think we're actually gonna break down here. Garage cam is going on. Come on, let's get a breakdown here finally. Let's get out of the chop and just get a drop. First one I saw with a 2 candle pullback, big white candle. These were like slow velocity. This is a big velocity candle, and then 2 candle pullback. Don't get over 50 here. I don't want you over 50. Or are you gonna pop back up and just chop me? Good. Let me look at the detailed candles here. Come on, at least bring us to the new low here, like down by 25s maybe. I gotta follow it just because once we get in profit, like a chance, like I take the risk of losing, but as soon as we get into profits, I'm right on that price action. I'm gonna show you if we even get into this. Come on, 30 seconds. Don't pop over 50. Pop over 50, I think I'm gonna take a stop, but all we can do is just wait now. About, what is that? 11 points, a little over $100 willing to lose on this trade. Then we gotta get down here, like 32-ish here, like up to get 100. 4 seconds to this candle close. Still kind of a weak close, white close, so hopefully we can stay below 50 now. I don't even know why I'm giving it that much room, even like 53. I should be right over 50, but yeah, this thing's gonna, I might add in just in case, right at 50. Put my stop at 53, so it's a small add-in, small loss, but if it goes our way, it'll be a bigger reward. Stay under 50 here. Average is 42, 48 on the bid, 49 on the bid. Not liking it. I don't want to see 50 on the ask. Too much work, huh? Better to just trade Rocket Scooter and just trade the freaking the level. Once you hit the level, just pile in, set your stop, catch 40, 100 points, and just be done for the day. It's too much work watching all this stuff. I'm realizing that now. Come on, let's go. Let's give me like 10, 15 points. There you go. There we go. Let's get a break now. Trying to be patient here. Let's see if we can break down now. We had this big candle here with a 2 candle pullback. All the rest was like slow candles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 kind of candles. Oh man. Right when I say that, then you're just gonna go against everything. I was right in the money and I didn't follow it. And now now I'm gonna pay for it. I should have added right there, right at 52, because if I got stopped out, I was like, I'm adding 5 more contracts. 5 more mini micros with like a 1 point loss on the ad. So you know what I mean. You're not losing much, and then you're bringing your average back up here, which I would be in the money now. Like if I added right here, like 52. 40, 50. Oh, I added it. Dang it. Wrong place. Why can't, I'm on the freaking, I'm on the drawing. Stupid brush. I'm going on the brush tool. Come on, bring me down into some profits here. Bring me down, please. Don't stop me out. I went too big on that. Too big, too fast. That's the emotions there. 50 now. Ugh, I could lose like $150 on this trade, which I don't want to do. So I want it to come down. Stay under 50. I don't want to see 51. 49 is good. 48 would be better. 47. There we go. Nope. Right back up. Do not do that. Come on, you had that 2 candle pullback. That's classic. Stay under 50. Just give me a drop. Give me a dramatic drop. Come on, at least let me mitigate risk here. Drop. Get under. Let me creep with you. Okay, let me creep with you down. Oh, man. Nah, at least I'm only risking 5 now. Just the liquidity when you try and like drop the price right behind it. Like it won't move if there's no liquidity. Like before, it used to be liquidity. I could just creep up right behind it, drop it in, and it would stay. This time it dropped and it pops back because the liquidity is so horrible. Let's say 2. Ay, come on. Let me put 1 here. You gonna stop me out now? That wouldn't be nice. That wouldn't be nice, right? Just gonna wait it out. I put the 5 stop here so I can kind of trail it partial if it drops down. 17 seconds. Come on. Just drop. No, I don't like it closing green. Go get below, get below, get below, get below. Push it down, push down. Let me get out some. I think I'll get a few. I only got 3, so 53. I'm only risking three micros. So let's see. Let's just hold it. Let's just hold it. All right, now we just 2. We're just gonna hold the 2 now. If we do break down, we're looking for, jeez, at least down here to like 08. But you know what? I don't trust it. I don't like this. It might just freaking... It might drop. I'm just gonna put this... Yeah, it's a drop. Let's see. Look, take profit. Hey, I don't know. Having such hard time moving down. Below there. Took it off even though I might dive bomb. I don't like this thing. I'd just rather for it to break with some velocity and then... Well, I don't think there's going to be any kind of action. So... Now we might try to go big here. See if we can short like 5-er. Like a 5-er. And then 34 stop 1 point. As we pull back halfway into maybe like 68, like 42-ish. If we pull back to like 42, I wouldn't mind that for a short. Halfway through between in between here. Pull back to this halfway mark. I'd be more partial to short it. Okay, there we go. Let's pop back up. That's what I didn't like. See how like it looked like it's gonna break? All these things that wick down, they're all like freaking green candles. Here we go, 39, 40. Let's try 5. Stop 48, risk 100 here. A little bit of confluence, but not much. So 48 there. I got a feeling like it's not gonna pop up. All these candles that wick down were green. Unless this thing turns green above here before the candle closes. I have a feeling it should drop down here. 3, 2, 1. It's a white candle, so should get some continuation down, hopefully. And just take 20 bucks, put me back over to my break-even portion, but wait till tomorrow to this trade this out. I don't think I'm gonna stay up too late tonight. I think I might try recording my demo. I think my vocals are a little bit loose, so we should be able to do that. So we'll end this test stream and we'll continue on the next episode next time. Alright, you guys have a good one. I'm gonna trade with y'all later. Till then, peace, love, aloha. Be sure to stay green. Make the MONEY. Why? Because money is your freedom. That's right. It's all good. You have a good one. Peace. See you guys next time.
Easy on the wheels, DJ Daytrader check the fields. Market open, volume rising, beat drops when the sun's arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders, matching bid and ask. Making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen, cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow when the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest, that's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we roll. And I'm execute the soul. DJ Booth meets trading for easy.